Ba't ka ba nagkakapikos?
Ang sabi kasi ng doktor ko noon, parang lahat naman daw ng babae meron po noon. Pero ano siya, because of unhealthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Stress.
So, anong lifestyle mo bago to?
Mahilig ako kumain eh.
Kami din.
Pero hindi ka nagkakapikos.
Unhealthy.
Okay.
Yes, unhealthy.
Unhealthy.
Hindi healthy yung mga kinakain ko.
Ano
noon.
kaya na? Para makarelate tayo. Sige, hindi ako nag-iisa.
Oily foods, junk foods. So, wala rin akong regular exercise that time.
Yun. Okay.
So, ang tendency is, the more we eat, mas dumadami yung fats natin, di ba?
Nasa-store yung lahat.
So, nagka-PCOS ka. Tapos, paano ka nahirapan doon sa PCOS mo?
Sa weight ko, naging overweight ako. Every time na magkakandak yung company namin ng APE, lagi akong obese 1 or 2. Yung records ko laging beyond borderline. Yung yung sugar, yung sa uric acid. There was a time na nagkaroon ako ng akala ko may depressionin kami ko. Yung pala dahil sa overweight ako. Nagnanumb siya na hindi, akala ko may stroke na ako that time eh.
Okay.
So talagang siya, health challenge talaga siya. And then when I discovered running, I don't need to pay thousands just to manage my weight.
Okay, so speaking of, paano mo na-discover yung running?
Pandemic period. So during that time kasi 'di ba, we're not allowed to really go outside. So, nag-start lang ako sa bahay, konting lakad-lakad. And then, nung nag-loosen na yung restrictions, I started solo run lang. And then, this year, I joined a club and a community of women.
Actually, gusto ko sasabihin, di ba, Nicole, sobrang uso ng run clubs ngayon.
Yes.
Wild sa mga Gen Z. As in, parang, if you're not in a run club, hindi ka cool. Di ba? I swear. So can you tell me about yung paglaganap ng mga run club, and of course yung yung journey mo rin sa pagsali?
So, there are a lot of run clubs talaga na surge kasi of running now as compared to before. As in, ito yung lahat, everybody's into running. So, there are also a lot of run clubs in different places, not only here in Metro Manila, but also nationwide. So, us naman, I created a women community. So, this running community for women, we started off first sa Facebook lang. And then, it eventually grew big. Like, March lang, ngayon, 11,000 plus na.
Wow!
And it's a great community for us to actually talk about women's health.
Yeah.
No? So parang yung mga hindi naiintindihan ng mga kalalakihan sa ibang groups, dito, they can freely talk about it without being judged. No? So parang it's a safe space for them, for us women. So yan yung kagandahan, and we provide free training runs for the women also. But what's nice is we also touch base with other run clubs. So we get to ask help from them to also promote women empowerment. That way, it doesn't stop from us, but also it spreads out to other run clubs.
Wow.
So,
yun ang nangyari kay Miss Rina.
Yes.
Diba? Para ano yung naging journey mo sa pagsali sa run club? Just, hindi ka ba na-intimidate at first? Kasi sabi mo nga, nasa borderline overweight ka when you started. Diba? Kasi usually, kunwari, ako, yung tuhod ko, iisipin ko eh. Diba? Para makakatakbo ba ako? Para ba tumakbo? Parang ganon.
At first, na-intimidate ako kasi when I saw runners naman na physically fit, sabi ko, kailan kaya ako pagiging ganyan? So, parang ginol ko sa sarili ko na I need to be consistent. Kasi gusto ko yung goal na magkaroon ng ganun ding ka-healthy na katawan. It's not just being sexy. Kasi when you are running, hindi mo iniisip na, gusto ko magpa-sexy. It's not. As for me, in-embrace ko yung challenge ko. Yun yung naging goal ko why I'm running until now. So, and then when I discovered Women's Run PH, what's good about the community is that ang dami kong nakilala doon na with the same case with me. Na sabi ko, ako kasi friendly ako eh. So, pag nagra-run, sabi nila,
may sabay chika.
Pag chika pace kami. So, taga saan ka? Anong
hindi kayo
resort?
hinihingal? Ang hirap at chumika, tumatakbo. Kasi yung pace yun ng pagtakbo, para relax running lang. Hindi yung
Ang tawag namin doon, chika pace. So, you
gusto ko yan, chika pace.
You can feel
kami kami ni MJ. Chika lang na chika. Yun na nga. Tama, chika pace.
So, yun. When kwento-kwento. Sabi ko, bakit nandito ka? Sabi ko, gano'n ka nakatagal nagra-run? So, kasi gusto kong pumayat, gano'n. Sabi ko, anong challenge mo ako? Kasi may PCOS ako. Ako, I'm not really shy type kasi when it comes to my health.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto ko na yung mga tao din na makikinig sa story ko, may inspire ko sila na to keep on running. Kasi malaki yung benefit sa akin nun. Last year, I was 60 plus kilos. 80 plus kilos. And then this year, 62 ako na
Wow,
February.
ang laki no.
Laki na.
20
Yeah,
kilos. Ang
yeah.
bigat
Oo.
na.
Oo.
So talagang,
Dumbbell ito. Dalawang tendi.
tsaka ang sabi ko, kung nagawa ko yun, kaya din ng iba. And then whenever I post dun sa sa community ng Women's Run PH about my challenges, nakikita ko may nagko-comment doon, tinatag nila. May tinatag sila doon na, continue running lang. Ito si ganito, ganito. So na, minsan, if I have time, I reach out to the person na tinag nila. Sabi ko, meron ka rin bang ganito? Kasi ako ganito. So hindi ako nahihiya na i-broadcast. Even if it's not in women's run community, I'm very vocal sa challenge ko. Kasi maraming tao, like us na mayroong PCOS, na nahihiya.
So, huwag ka mahiya.
Oo, wag ka
I-open
mahiya.
up mo.
Kasi,
kasi baka maka-inspire ka. Gaya ikaw, nakaka-inspire ka na, di ba? At nakakatulong. Nakakatuwa naman. Pero, yun nga, no, how do you run properly, Nicole?
How do you train to be to
Yeah.
run correctly?
Oo, kasi di ba si Rina, paano, nag-YouTube ka ba? Ano ba, paano mo nalaman paano tumakbo ng maayos?
As time goes by, kasi mako-correct mo yung running style mo rin. As well as yung breathing. So, hindi mo kailangan i-pressure yung sarili mo na, kailangan ganito pala ako mag-run. Kasi, tendency is, pwede kang magkaroon ng injury. Kasi you're forcing yourself
Correct.
ng hindi natural.
Ayan. So, ito
What
na.
works
Paano
for you?
nga ba?
Oo. So for running naman, kami kasi we have naman training runs. That's where they can actually just reach out to us. We get to teach them kung anong tamang form of running. So yun nga, no, it's very important that it feels so natural to us. What we do is we just correct the form, no? So parang just to make it more, ano tawag doon, tama at biometrically, parang ano siya, for example kasi, 'di ba, pag tumatakbo na mataas,
Okay.
ganito ka, it's not comfortable for you, won't be able to
Oo,
run
so
fast. So it
dapat-
needs to be here and it needs to be 90 degrees, ganyan.
Okay.
So ganun 'yan. Yan yung turo ng asawa ko sa akin. Kasi siya kasi runner talaga eh. Ako naman, my sport to begin with is totally different. It's not running. Taekwondo ako.
Oh, wow! Layo nga.
Diba? So, naging runner na lang talaga ako because
Because of
it's
your husband.
also my husband. But before that kasi, output ko siya, parang outlet pala, not output. Outlet ko siya for my taekwondo. So, it helps a lot. And being a mom, being able to run, it clears my mind eh. Dati gusto ko outburst of energy. Alam mo yung parang sobrang adrenaline rush. This one, it gets to calm you. Na parang all my worries are gone when I run eh. So, parang I get to introspect. Parang iniisip ko
yoga.
lahat. Parang ganon.
Pero yun na nga, 'di ba? Paano kunwari madali kang mabore like me? Yun na nga, 'di ba? Parang gusto ko na agad sumika.
Or paano pag may heart problems,
Oo.
may knee problems. Like me, for instance, I was diagnosed with PFPS, patellofemoral pain syndrome. So, hindi na ako pwedeng tumakbo sa hard pavement. Hindi na pwede because of my knees and lower back. So now, what I do is treadmill and stationary bike. Nakaupo ka lang eh. Tapos dahan-dahan. Yun din. Chika pace din. Or Netflix pace. Diba? So may mga ganun na kahit gustuhin, hindi na pwede. Diba? Pero meron din kayong mga cases na, manbawa, senior. Ayan. Pwede ba yan
Yeah.
sa mga senior pala?
Yes, oo. Yung mom ko kakastart lang ng running era niya. 60. O baka magkamali ako ng ano. Sige, wag na. Basta
Late
60.
60s.
Late 60s na.
Congrats.
And
Pwede
then,
pala.
very competitive pa.
Ayun, oy.
Grabe.
Yan ang next natin i-guess
Diba?
dito. Si Mami.
Grabe
Senior.
yun.
Diba? Si Mami, diba this month is Grandparents Month, diba?
Oo.
I mean, guess natin how she's able to do it as senior citizen na competitive pa ka mo. Why is she doing it?
She loves it. She started first lang sa women's run.
Okay.
She got fulfilled by just crossing the finish line. She didn't expect na parang at her age she will be able to do it.
Ayan. yan.
So, diba?
Breaking the barriers,
Oo.
di ba? Siya ba oldest sa inyo?
Sa sumali?
run.
No, hindi. Meron
Pa
pa.
pala?
Mas madami
70s?
pa. Yes, meron
Can
sumasali.
you guess the year?
Yeah, of course naman. And we have to ask them.
Kasi iba nakaklaim na eh. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, my mom is 72, pero ano na siya, nag-wheelchair na, mabagal na, kasi nga may dementia, no? Pero gusto ko ma-inspire by hearing stories na kahit 70s na, there are women who can still run.
Yes, regardless of your age talaga, when you start running, it's totally different.
Galing.
And then what's nice is that you have to be mindful also of your condition. Doesn't mean na the running is in, but you want to do it, but your health
That's why
is,
yung tanong ko, yung mga may heart problems.
Magpa-check ka muna.
Yeah, magpa-check ka muna.
Kung
And
pwede ka
then,
tumakbo.
when you run, be mindful din of what you're feeling, no? So, yung sinasabi natin na parang mas kilala mo yung sarili mo. Pag nahihirapan ka na, edi, walk it
Tigil
out.
ka muna.
Walk it
Oo,
out.
wag mo
Or
i-push.
just, wag mo na i-push.
Yeah.
So, yun
Kasi
yung
may ibang
mga...
runners, biglang bubulagta na lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Biglang na heart attack na.
Nakakalimutan nila mag-electrolytes, magtubig,
Oo.
di ba?
Runners na
Huminga
yun.
ng tama.
Yeah.
So, buti na lang, speaking of hinga ng tama, may trainings kayo bago nung run nyo. Oo.
We provide free training runs for the women.
Pwede
Kasi
bang doon na lang ako sa training. Training ka na.
mas masaya yung big celebration.
May
Magkasama
video kayo, may gabi.
Oo.
At least hindi mainit. Di ba gabi? Parang asaya yung gabi na.
Correct,
Nakita mo.
correct.
Ano, siguro may
Oo.
disco music pa yan.
Ay,
para
may
feeling mo.
pa-music pa
Part,
after. May pa-music pa
May
after.
pa-music, parang party-party lang.
Di ba buffet?
Yes.
May buffet ba after?
Alam mo yung asawa ko nung nagma-mountain bike siya, may buffet sa top. Sabi ko, pwede kayo pumapayat? May buffet pala sa tuktok ng bundok. Spam tsaka kanin. Tsaka
Pero
itlog.
anyway, after you run naman, you continue to burn.
Yeah.
Kaya okay din kumain ng kumain. Kasi nga, nagbaburn ka pa ng calories,
Saan
di ba?
pinaka-okay mag-start if you
Yeah.
want to? Pwede ba sa treadmill?
Oo naman!
Pwede naman. Yes, you
diba?
can start. Actually,
Yeah.
wala naman pagpipilian kung gusto mo mag-start
Yeah.
sa treadmill
Siyempre,
or
sa
gusto mo
bahay lang,
maglakad. Oo. So, dapat when sedentary lifestyle, tas bigla kang tatakbo ng mabilis,
Yeah.
hindi ganun. So, dapat it needs to be progressive and slowly.
Oh, alam mo ba,
Pwede ba
ba?
super slow?
alam mo, nanonood ako ng Emily in Paris kasi pupunta to sa Emily, no? Yung episodes 1 to 6. Basta yung first 6 episodes. Eh, sabi ko, nako, marathon to, ang tagal. So, ang tagal ko rin sa, yung treadmill. Ganon din katagal sumakit na yung tuhod ko. So, at least, di ba, naka-third episode na, ay, grabe.
Bongga.
Sakit na. Walking lang ako noon na. Walking, pace lang. So, ganon, you can do two things at the same time.
Yeah.
Kaya.
Correct. I
Question
love
pala, ito
it.
importante.
Okay.
Kasi may nabasa ko dati sa news na after tumakbo ng isang runner, uminom ng malamig na tubig.
Ay, oh my God,
Nabasa
oo, sa
niyo yun.
puso.
Diba? Tapos, ano pa siya? Yung ko nabuhay siya. Pero parang na-atake siya kasi cold water yung ininom niya. Totoo ba yun?
Ah, talaga?
Scientifically or medically na you should not drink ultra cold water after a run?
I'm not in the position to
Okay.
actually
Wala kayong
answer
mga
that.
ganun na
Kasi
pag-uusapan?
I think that one parang needs to be answered by a doctor.
Correct.
Pero napag-usapan niyo ba yan amongst yourselves nung lumabas yung news na gano'n?
Yeah, narinig ko din yung mga
Oo.
ganyan. Pero I didn't get to know the details more.
But personally, do you drink cold water after a run? What do you guys drink?
There
Electrolytes,
is,
sabi.
meron. We do provide cold water naman din. Kasi lalo na pag sobrang init.
Okay.
Oo. So, we have to regulate the body. No?
So pwede rin pala, depende
I
sa
think
tao.
so.
Eh, yung Gatorade. Yung mga may electrolytes na
nga,
drink.
right.
Pwede ba yun?
Oo.
Okay.
Yes. So, we
Pero ikaw,
provide that and the
anong
hydration.
baon mo?
Ako tubig, hindi ko namimili. Kung warm water or cold water, I do drink it as long as I need to rehydrate.
Pwede bang kape?
Rehydrate talaga.
Parang nakikita ko na tatanungin mo talaga yung kape.
Dehydrate ka. Hindi, syempre joke yun, guys. Don't take it seriously.
Oo, joke lang.
Oo, diba?
Ikaw, what do you drink after a
Water.
run?
Water
din
lang talaga.
I love
Yun.
it. Oo,
Wow.
pero wait lang. When is the event?
Oh, the event is October 20. So here in Metro Manila, we have Women's Run PH co-presented by Ann Lian. So we are celebrating women's health. There will be Osteoporosis Day and at the same time breast cancer awareness.
Wow.
So we're actually helping out. There will be runners from PGH, Cancer Survivor and Under Treatment Society. So we want
That's
to give them
awesome.
hope, diba, when they run. So there will be also Allies of Men that will give out medals in Barong.
Wow.
Yung barong, ha?
Diba? Parang feel mo talaga na
Umaga gabi.
we start early in the morning. So kahit mga 4 a.m., mga 5 a.m.
Para hindi
Wow,
mainit.
madaling araw talaga.
Yes, oo. And then, nakakatuwa ito kasi we're already reaching out, not only here in Metro Manila, but also Iloilo, our first ever event.
Ay, congrats! So, sa Iloilo to?
No, Iloilo,
Iba pa?
November 10.
Ay, bongga!
Dalawa na agad.
Oo, diba?
Yes, oo.
Alam mo, lumalaki na talaga yung ano, no, yung community
running
of runners
page, yeah.
natin.
Yeah.
And it's the in thing right now.
Ano, makikiin na ba tayo?
Ay,
Sa
dapat.
treadmill muna. Yun pala ang commitment ko, guys.
Habang nanonood ng
Correct,
Netflix.
correct. Pero oo nga, sabi mo, tama yung ano, yung sabay ko na nga yung Netflix doon.
Oo, yun ang ginagawa ko talaga. Basta as long as you keep active, hindi yung nakaupo ka lang.
Oo.
Hindi sedentary nga. Kahit nga wala kang treadmill, try mo, manood ka Netflix, as nag-ano ka, lift ka ng legs, kung na nagbabike ka, or stationary bike. Basta as long as you keep moving.
Wow.
Yun ang
That's
importante.
true.
Di ba?
Whatever works for you talaga.
Yeah, yes,
It
correct.
happened to me too,
Yeah.
Running, tapos a treadmill, and then nung pandemic, treadmill, and nanonood
Oh,
ako
di ba?
Netflix.
Parang di mo mamamalayan eh. Question. Yung mga sasali dyan na mga seniors, meron silang sariling lane kasi mabagal sila eh.
No, kasabay sila
Di.
lahat.
I'm just talking about my mom. Kasi kung sasali ko siya, hindi niya kaya yung mabibilis. Kung may sarili silang lane, yung sila lang na nag-walk, pero nakakita sila ng ibang tao, maganda sana. Kasi mabagal ang mga senior, di ba? Yun lang, wish ko lang yun. Kasi it's really a challenge for me where to bring my mom. So I try to bring her, let's say, about to a park. Tas mainit. Pag mainit, ayaw na. Indoors na ulit. Ito gabi. Anyway, baka in the future na lang. If you wanna consider.
Meron, yeah. But, late naman nagsa-start yung 5 kilometers. So,
Yeah.
it starts mga 5:30 a.m. or minsan 6.
Tulog
The
pa siya.
kids naman 7 o'clock. So, I
Tulog
think-
pa rin sila.
True, 9 a.m. nagigising yung anak ko. Pero yes, gigising siya para dyan. Oo.
Si Erin Kate dalawa.
Oo, sabay
Baka
kami.
maging
Oo,
runner ka
actually.
na after.
Oh, naku, ang
Okay.
bilis tumakbo nun, ibang klase. But thank you so much, Inay Nicole at Rina.
Sobrang
Thank you
inspired
for your
kami.
story. Again, October, when is it?
October 20, I'd like to everyone to join. No? Sana the women, it will be a great celebration running alongside with thousands of women. So it's very empowering. And it's nice to connect with other women also. During
Ang
that
ganda ng medal.
Yes,
I
umiikot
love it.
yan.
Ay, talaga, bongga nga. I love it. Oo nga, ayan ganun.
Yan ang makukuha ng bawat runner.
Yes, lahat ng runners.
Every runner. Akala ko yung maging first lang sa finish line.
No,
It's
may-
not like that eh, no? It's not the first to finish. Walang ganyan.
Meron din tayong prizes for them. And may bouquet pa para silang Olympian, Southeast Asia, or beauty queen, diba?
Ayan.
Nakakatuwa.
Thank you so much. Thank you again and congratulations sa upcoming event.